Hi everyone, Jason from Swift Industries here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Rando Pocket. The Rando Pocket can be installed on the Ozette V2, the Elwha hip pack, or a Wald basket. Let me show you how to install it. First, we're going to unsnap the webbing. We're going to place it over the top wire of our Wald basket. This works the same way on the Ardea Pack or the Ozette. So you're going to go over the top wire, through the daisy chain, over the next wire. You can leave it loose for now just to give yourself more flexibility. The second one, again, over the top wire, through the daisy chain, over the top of the next wire. And then you're going to push those snaps nice and tight. And now you've got a secure way to carry spare parts, snacks, or a cell phone. And that's it for the Rando Pocket.